In this class we will present the command VIEWDETAIL, which creates an enlarged view of a specific location of a design view, making it easy to view model details. You can create a circular or rectangular detail view, and this command is only supported in the layout and requires a drawing view already created. Open the available file and let's start by creating a main view with the command ViewBase. Next, we will position a detail view, triggering ViewDetail, circular option. We select the main view, and then click to specify a central point for the realization of the detail. We specify the size of the circular window or switch to a rectangular window. Note that we can adjust some parameters. You can also change the view with or without a connector, style, among other options. We click on the graphic area to set the location of the view and hit Enter. You see, we have a detail view inserted easily, on scale 2:1. Let's repeat the procedure for inserting a rectangular detail view. We trigger ViewDetail, rectangular option. We select the main view. We specify a central point for the realization of the detail. We specify the size of the rectangular window. We click on the graphic area to define the location of the view and have the rectangular profile detail view inserted correctly. Now we will edit a detail view, then we trigger ViewEdit and click on the view to be edited. See that we have several options, both on the ribbon and on the command line. Let's change some parameters. Watch. See the result, we have the detail view edited correctly. We have seen in this class how to create details views of rectangular and circular profile. We also learned how to edit a detail view after inserting it.